Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, March 17, 2021. It is 7:25 and 11 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, eye color. So let's hop to it here. Eye color genetics not so simple study finds. Date March 11, 2021. Source, King's College London. Summary. Researchers have identified 50 new genes for eye color in a study involving the genetic analysis of almost 195,000 people across Europe and Asia. The genetics of human eye color is much more complex than previously thought, according to a new study published today. Researchers have identified 50 new genes for eye color in the largest genetic study of its kind to date. The study, published today in Science Advances, involved the genetic analysis of almost 195,000 people across Europe and Asia. These findings will help to improve the understanding of eye diseases, such as pigmentary glaucoma and ocular albinism, where eye pigment levels play a role. In addition, the team found that eye color in Asians with different shades of brown is genetically similar to eye color in Europeans, ranging from dark brown to light blue. This study builds on previous research, in which scientists had identified a dozen genes linked to eye color, believing there to be many more. Previously, scientists thought that variation in eye color was controlled by one or two genes only, with brown eyes dominant over blue eyes. The findings are exciting because they bring us a step closer to understanding the genes that cause one of the most striking features that a human faces, which has mystified generations throughout our history. This will improve our understanding of many diseases that we know are associated with specific pigmentation levels. This study delivers the genetic knowledge needed to improve eye color prediction from DNA, as already applied in anthropological and forensic studies, but with limited accuracy for the non-brown and non-blue eye colors. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. I hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.